Hey guys, it's Brock here from Ecolux Interiors, and today we're going to install our acoustic panels on this wall behind us. So we're going to give you a step-by-step process of how we do that and how you can do it at home as well. So guys, the main tools that we have here, it's quite simple. There's two ways you can install the acoustic panels. You can either screw to the wall or use adhesive. We recommend using adhesive, it gives a much cleaner finish. So we just got some standard liquid nails here, which you can use on the back. You can go for this extreme grab as well, if you need it to hold a bit quicker. Now the basic tools, you'll need a tape measure, a pencil. We use some tape, as you'll see later, to lay across and measure our distance that we want to cut. You also need a caulking gun for the liquid nails, and optionally we use a circular saw. You can use a standard timber saw, like a hand saw if you need to, but the circular saw does give a better cut. So there you have it, guys. That was our DIY install of our acoustic panels. We've got a few finishing up touches, just like the TV and the wall unit to add. But thanks for watching.